Hello, good evening, everybody, and welcome again to another video on Excel. Okay, now here this video is all about counting unique names or numbers. Okay, here is I'm using it for names. Okay, uh, for us, a list of names given, which might be repeated, one or more time. Okay, we might have unique names here. We might have more than one name repeated in this list. Okay, so what we need to find out here is the number of occurrence, okay, of unique names. Okay, for example, here you see we have got 15 names, out of which Sudipto is appearing 3 times, Santanu is appearing 2 times, Subra I think is appearing once, and there are a few other names also. By the way, these are all my uh, school batchmates. Okay, so how do we go about doing this and find out a solution of how many unique names are there? We can do it this way also, just simply copy paste this here and go to the data tab, remove duplicates. Okay, and just apply OK. So you can see that we have got 8 unique names, which is coming up here also. But suppose we are not in an interview, you go to an interview and you are not allowed to use the remove duplicate formula here. How do we use a formula to go about and find a solution to the number of unique names here? Okay, so the first approach is to use count if. So I'll just type count if here. Now I'll choose this set of range, this range here. Now the second part it is asking for is the criteria. So I'll go back, and the criteria, in the criteria I'll put in the same range again. Okay, and close the bracket. Now what does it return? It returns me a odd 3 as a number. Okay, now this actually is the first 3 numbers which it is showing, the first 3 counts which it is showing. If we evaluate the formula this way, if we go here and select this part of the formula and press F9, you see Sudipto is appearing 1 2 3 times here, Santanu, Subra, Anirban, and Jaya, Arnav, Ravi, all names are appearing here. So how do we go about and fix this problem and get the exact unique count of names? Okay, so what we'll do here is go ahead and just 2 is 1 divided by count of names. This will again give us an odd formula, odd number rather. Okay, so what do we do to fix it? We have to use something like a sum or a sum product. Now we can use a sum product, which is a better suited option here. Okay, because we need an array here. Now for example, we can use the sum product, and we can just close this. We are getting the correct answer now. Okay, you see 8, and there are 8 unique names here which we have seen. Now what happens if this works fine? Okay, up to now this is working fine. What happens if we put in a delete one of the names here? You see there is an error which is coming up. Now I'm just redoing it. We need to fix that bug also, right? There is a bug in this formula. So how do we go about doing that? Now sum product, we'll come back here, we'll keep this one. We will choose now is the range again, and this range should not be equal to your blank. Okay, we are not complete yet. Okay, so you see here we have chosen this A22 A16, which should not be equal to blank, and we'll have to put in an ampersand here or concatenate the, sorry my bad, here concatenate the blank here also and press enter. Okay, now you see we are still getting 8 here. Okay, why? Because there are 8 unique names here. What happens if we delete one of these names? It still remains 8 because unique count is 8. Okay, but if I delete a unique name like Ravi's occurrence is 1 here, so I delete this, you see this will change to 7. Okay, what happens if I delete a single occurrence name here again? Let me find out. Sita. Okay, so this comes back this changes to 7, so I will just redo that so that we can get the original name again. And you see, yeah, now we have 8 unique names here through this formula, and you see this there are 8 names here. So this is the formula which gives us a perfect, you know, a count of the unique names that are available in a list. Okay, so hope this is helpful for you, and it will help you in your work to find out the number of unique names in from a list of names given where there a name is repeated multiple times. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, uh, and don't forget to press the like button. Okay, thank you again. Have a great day.